Hello, good morning everybody. So in this video, what we're going to do is have a quick introduction to the iMath AS website that's been set up at SFU. So this is based on the iMath AS that was developed, and it's actually available as an open source application with a few minor modifications. So the first one is that you'll be able to log in using the SFU's CAS, or the centralized authentication system, without actually creating another username and password within the iMath AS system. So the first thing we do is go to the website imathas.surrey.sfu.ca. So when you do that, it'll redirect you to the CAS website, which is cas.sfu.ca, which is where you would enter your credentials. There, so it gets automatically authenticated by SFU, and then gets here. So once you enter your username and password, it'll redirect you to the SFU webpage. Before you see the screen, you might see a small message which says using CAS. That is just my just telling you that you're using the centralized authentication system to set everything up. So within here, I've actually entered my username and username here, so it calls me by my name. So yours might be blank initially. What you can do if you want is go to change user information, and then you might be able to enter all of the details, and like your username, password, and then change password and all of the other stuff. So once you're here, what you're going to do is you would create a new course by clicking on add course. So we are going to say start a blank course. So we'll call this test. So if you want, you can give an enrollment key that students can use to directly log into the iMath AS system. So there are a few advanced options here in terms of when the course is available. We want students to self-unenroll and all of that stuff. So you can go through the stuff, but for now we're going to leave it blank. So the LMS is the integration into Canvas. So if you drop down, it's going to give you like an option to actually see how you would set up. So we're going to come back to this in a bit. But what we're going to do is like we're going to actually say we'll allow Canvas to actually set the due date and then make copies of the course. So we're going to select this, and then there are a few advanced options here. The number of late passes students would get by default, how long things are assigned, extended, and so on. This is fairly self-explanatory, so I'm going to leave it for now. And then what we're going to do is, so we call this test. I might actually have one which is called test. We'll call this test 1, and then we say submit. So when you do that, it's going to give you some additional information. So it says this is the course ID. Course ID is 2. This is the enrollment key. These are the LTI credentials. So if you want, you can note these down at this point. But we can actually get to all of these from the settings menu within the course. So once you do that, you can click enter course, and then you would be presented with a blank course over here. Here you have the student instructor view, and then you can switch to student view, and then it will show you how the students might see the iMath AS system.